it says, number 21 says, this is a good one. Okay, you ready for this, Zaytun and Nazim? A row of 1.5 Newton wooden blocks, a row of six of them. So I have 6 wooden blocks. Right? And it says each wooden block is 1.5 newtons. Right? So therefore, the total mass would be 9 newtons, right? Right? So it says a row of 6 1.5 Newton, total 9, wooden blocks is pushed across a tabletop with a constant speed by a toy tractor that exerts a force of 2 newtons on the row. 2 newtons on the row. So here's the top, right? And the tractor is pushing them like this with 2 newtons, correct? So, what's the friction? What's the friction? What's the force of friction? What is it? They're working diligently. Their silence is a sign of industry. So what is it? What's the force of friction? 2 newtons, right? Excellent, man. So this is the force of friction, correct? What's the normal? What's the normal? 9 newtons. Normal equals the weight if it's on a horizontal plane. What is the coefficient of kinetic friction between the wooden blocks and the tabletop? So, these are all 1.5 newtons, a total of 9 newtons. Yes? Remember, the tractor is pushing them 2 newtons. Right? It's a kinetic friction. It's not a static friction. Okay? So it would be force of friction over the normal, which is 2 over 9 equals what? What's 2 divided by 9? 0.2? We'll round it to 0.2. Zaytun, let me ask you a question. What are the unit labels for the coefficient of friction? There are none. Excellent. Thank you.